Okay, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video that barely any people's watching. And today we're gonna be playing Dandy's World. Hopefully I won't have this. Your screen is too close to your eyes. So hopefully we're not gonna have this problem. And plus I played this game before off cameras. You know, I've been grinding for hours, so yeah. You see I'm wearing Toodles. She's giving right now. Alright, we're gonna be queuing in with some random people that I don't even know. JK. I'm gonna sneak in. I'm There's no way I'm in right now. Want Rudy? Hey, bro. Y'all left me. Too bad, too sad, Rudy. We're gonna be playing with Chew. Yeah, you heard me. Chew. So, we're gonna be queuing in right now. I might die after the first floor, but I don't care. But let's get to it. So, I'm gonna be wearing Finn. Wait. Keep wearing Toodles. Yeah, I'm gonna just wear Toodles. Decent status, I'll say. Okay, listen. How much I was playing on my PS5, but the PlayStation Network isn't working right now. So, yeah. Alright. Ooh. Tickets. Ooh, already? Give me those items. Need those items. Ooh. Give me that. Thank you so much. Already had that machine. Pebble already has that machine. What machine am I supposed to do? Okay. Oh, give me that ornament. Ooh, 999. Rest in peace, Juice World. Okay. Oh my gosh. I gotta go fast. Let me eat my chocolate. I'm out of here. Wait, no, this is the wrong way. I'm just kidding. JK. I can only run so freaking slow. What research is this? Costco. I love to get some Costco. How did I just take damage right there? Oh my god! Poor person. I'm gonna just save my tickets. So, yeah. Let's save my tickets. Rudy is probably buying something. Listen, I definitely did not buy it. I definitely did not buy it there. Yeah. So, we made it to safe. I can tell. This is the same floor. Oh, let me get that capsule. No sign for Ginger yet. Probably on the 5th, 25th, 6,000th floor. That sound. Very insane. Let's see. I'm just a mobile kid. Don't judge me. Alright. Oh, this is so thin. Okay. Ooh. No, Martha. No, Martha. Bad Martha. Did I just say Martha? Another blood problem. Another elimination. And this is really thin, so I have to just try my best. I dropped my phone. Oh my god. Bro, he went right past me. Yeah, he went right past me. Oh. Dang, that's the only people? Come on, y'all. Oh my god, y'all mains. Y'all look because of mains. Lord have mercy, I'm just like the mains now. Dinosaur? Bark for me. Oh wait, yeah. But that was awkward. Oh, I know who's here. Him. I got 1,000 Christmas ornaments. Ooh, halfway done. No, that balloon head just noticed me. Lord have mercy. Run. Oh. Almost like a track star. Okay. Still so freaking skinny. Yeah, I said thank you. Look at my email heart. Haste to the Middle East. I'm mad at her. Uh-oh. Bro, I took all of the perks right there. Look how shiny and bright I am. Shine. Let it shine. Like tonight. It's gonna be tonight. Shelly, get y'all. Oh. Please have something better this week. Never do. Never do. I'm cooked for sure. Yeah, I'm cooked. So try not to buy. I'm gonna say why. This is not a Dandy's run, right? Yeah, okay, if you do. Take that. Oh, Tisha Felicia. Is that Tisha Felicia? Girl. Free you. No ma'am. No ma'am. No ma'am. What you doing? Oh my god. She's distracted. We gotta go. Gotta go fast. Rudy, and I just got all Rudy's research. Wow. Egg lump? I'm definitely gonna need that. Almost done already. Gotta get Tisha's research. There we go. I'm happy. Oh. Oh. Yeah, this is really fast from a mobile phone. Legit, not complaining at all. I'm definitely not complaining. Ooh. Okay. Okay. That was a very close call. Ooh. Oh! Get shut on! Get shut on! Let it decrease the chance of having a blackout. We don't want blackouts. Blackouts are bad. Hopefully I could get Ginger so that I can hear research to get her. Okay. Is this Ginger? No, it's freaking Rudy. Frack. Tisha. Okay. Oh, am I the only one? Technically not, but halfway done. Let's explore this place. You coming? Tisha, what you crying? Oh! Okay. Don't do it. Rudy. Good girl. Good picture. Oh my god, that almost scared me. Hey. Thank you so much, Shelly. You're a kind person. God dang it. I messed up right there. Yeah, I'm helping. Let's go. I'm gonna take my time. Show me. Oh. Me too. Complete 5 machines. Wow. This is absolutely crazy. No research on Ginger. Why did I say GG? That Fortnite skin. Yeah, things. Skinny. It's like skinnier than a pencil. Like one of those school party slice of pizzas. Yeah, I did that on accident, guys. I kind of suck at these machines on mobile. Let's go. No. Alright, just go ahead and pick that up. Okay, what was that noise? That noise kind of scared me. Walk on, shoot. Walk on somewhere. Oh. Why you coming back? Why? You coming back for what? What did I do? Okay, you better walk somewhere. Oh, darn. No, Poppy, we can explain. I just used all of my perks on this stuff. Go back and complete my machine in peace. Thank you so much. Had to increase right there. Where's the darn elevator? There you go. Shut it off. There you go. Alright, 4-7. See who we get. Ginger? Hopefully we get Ginger for this. Why are they're touring around Hurricane Katrina? Huh. That stupid tune. It's ugly. It's a failure. Why are you chasing after me? You gotta go fast on you. Oh, no. Okay. Thank you so much, Joey. He's in down on mobile. Where are? I'm gonna take you to these guys because they deserve to get killed. Oh my. Okay. Well, taking my time. I'm walking like a dime. Oh yeah, I'm legit insane. I am insane. Okay, you can have that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Can you take me faster with that machine? Okay. I'm in the elevators. I'm gonna spin around like Hurricane Katrina. Shut the door. Trust me. Especially with stamina, man. Yeah, Dandy is kind of useless, but with these bottle of pop, bolt pop, like cocky bolt pop, man, these things are kind of useful. Don't hate on me for that. That's just in my opinion. I'm just staying at elevator. Bye, guys. What? Dazzle dazzle. Two. Oh. Yeah. Bye. La 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 la. La 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 la. Boomity boop bop up. Boomity boop bop up. Binny doona doona bada do she want. Squid Game vibes. Whoa, for good luck. Alright, just try to. Where? Give me that bottle of pop to one bottle of pop. Oh my god, I just bonked into a freaking edge of a thing. Oh my god. Yeah, get him. Yeah, take that damage. Yeah, I'm helping. This is the 8th floor neurotic Ginger's research. Like, what the what? That was so close. I need that. I need that. No. Where? Not the duck. Oh, go! Ah! Ah! Can't you? I'm not a good distractor, you know. Okay, I'm dead because I ran out of cinema. Okay, guys, so that was a very awkward death, but we managed to survive 8 scores. And thank you so much for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe and actually watch this video because I worked very hard on editing the stuff. Thank you so much. Peace to the middle.